Hey guys, Mapletail here. I didn't have a specific topic or cat that I wanted to draw/talk about today, so we're drawing this cat that I've seen around my neighborhood a couple times. Me and my little sister just called them River Cat. The first time we saw them was when we were walking near the river, and this cat just came over from their house and made a beeline for the small cliff that lines the river. They really looked like they were on some kind of mission or something. It was pretty funny. I went over to the edge to see if I could spot them, and make sure they didn't fall in the water or anything. I couldn't see them, but the grass is pretty tall around there, and there are probably some pretty good hiding spots. I know birds nest down there sometimes, so maybe that's what they were after? Who knows? But anyways, we saw them a few days later near the river path, so at least I know that they didn't fall in. They were super friendly and small and adorable, and had a cute little bell. So yeah, this one goes out to River Cat. Enjoy the rest of the drawing. Thanks for watching! If you guys have any art challenge suggestions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below and maybe I'll give them a go. And I'll see you next Thursday.